Shall we get the cycle of the Dark Gaia Phoenix? Oh. Fucking sword. Push. Damage. Not as much, which is very a shame. Guys, you watching them? No. Oh, I missed him, that's bad. Alright, I missed him this once. Right, not missing him. Right, where's the other stuff? Yeah, oh, found them. And son. Found the son. Yeah! Oh, okay. He stopped me, mate. That's cheating. So that's cheating. The hard boss. Be careful, guys. Why do you keep on firing? Whoa! Whoa!
That's my chance.
No! Stop. Shut it. Yes! No! Wait a minute. I fucking hit your ass, you asshole. Oh, Zard. He's a good boss. He's a really good boss fight. Now! Yes! Got him! Where are you gonna go, sir? This one. Uppercut! X. Ow! Woo! Just give me your force. Come on! Now! Didn't cool down, man. What word? Yeah! Don't bust up this house! Okay. Whoa! So I'm actually trying to calm you down. He's a good guy, really. Oh, that is some bullshit. And there! Where you going, sir? Ooh! Whoa! Push. Ah! Messed up!
Looks like I can't get at it while it's covered in fire.
This is the final part of it. Oh, I've only got like probably 60% life then. Come on. He's a really good guy in the end. I really do. I'm not actually. No! And you're out again. Right, let's have a look. Yes, this one. Alright. Uppercut. Knockout.
Strike 3, monster! That's enough out of you!
Oh, see, that's alright. And it's over. Oh, right, this is it. Boss complete. That's the third boss I've actually took on. That's cool.
Right? Yes, thank you.
Wow. I'm actually doing quite well for this. Second continent done. Second continent done. That's where I've got to. Wow. So we're gonna go see the professor. Told you.
The moment the temple lit up, the beast woke up. It appears he's come back to his senses.
I see. I'll bet your job is to guard the Chaos Emerald Temple. You must have gone berserk when the emeralds lost their power.
Well, I'm glad you're back. Want some chocolate?
It is actually waving at us because of its wings. Well, let's wave what dessert say. Eat the guy's dessert, blah blah blah. Eggy man. Say Eggman. Oh, hello, Eggman.
Your dinner, Doctor.
Thank you. What's the progress on the Dark Gaia-powered Eggman Land construction system?
Current status is 27% complete. Progress is significantly behind projected timetable. Presumed cause of delay is Dark Gaia's dispersion across the globe.
Oh, of all the lazy, here I go to the trouble of waking that Dark Gaia thing up, and it causes me nothing but delays.
Dark Gaia had yet to reach maturity within the planet's core, ergo it was still incomplete at the time of its awakening, ergo it was unable to sustain its own weight upon its release, ergo it scattered around the world.
I don't want to hear about its weight issues. So what if I gave it a bit of a sudden awakening? This is unacceptable.
Ergo, this is the repercussion of your hasty actions.
What was that? I'm having a bad enough day as it is. First that professor runs off with the Gaia manuscript, and now the planet's coming back together.
Too strong, mate.
That, Doctor, is the result of the power of the Chaos Emeralds, which you discarded along with Sonic. Ergo, another repercussion of your hasty actions.
He should have kept the Chaos Emeralds then.
Quiet, you junkie! That was all part of my plan, part of the big picture. Where's the fun in having my plans succeed without any challenge? Anyway, what's the status of the remaining temples of Gaia?
Eggman's forces have currently secured all locations. Defensive preparations are nearly complete.
That'll take care of Sonic for now, which leaves the problem of Dark Gaia. It'd be difficult to collect every piece scattered all across the world.
Searching conventional wisdom banks for topical advice. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, slow and steady. Nobody likes a whiner.
Isn't there a more efficient way? Some way to, well, I don't know, gather them all up at once. Wait, that's it, of course!
Uh-oh.
With this, all of my plans will be realized.
Uh-oh, Eggman. This could end fun. This is gonna be fun, so be careful. Any more applause, please? Any more? Alright, you guys have enjoyed the video, and yeah, I don't know where our next place will be, but I will check and I will email. Thank you very much for watching. Cheers.